Good evening, John O'Flaherty, the B3 Burner. Today is Sunday, May 18th, 2025. And we're going to get in the old time machine and go back just one day shy of a month to Saturday, April 19th, 2025, and take in the Fifties Roadhouse in Knights Ferry car show. And we'll talk about it more when we roll video. Here we go. Well, good morning. It's John, and today I am at the 50s Roadhouse car show in Knights Ferry. We were in Knights Ferry proper 2 weeks ago. Well, now we're at the 50s Roadhouse restaurant, which is up on top of the hill there. And I'm parked next to these pickup truck owners, and things are looking pretty good. It's a beautiful day. I'll talk to you later. Beautiful. I always like seeing one of these here.
I do all this at my house. I just gives me something to do.
How did you end up in Plainheart?
We've lived there for 40 years. Yeah, so
And there's another one.
There's a shoebox central. It's all shoebox Fords.
Yeah, there's no room in here.
No, it's made just to fit in there.
There's just no room. I had a guy that
That original radio, goddamn, that thing was worth
Smaller pump, yeah.
oh, this one is even smaller. It's a 3-wheel.
This is
Oh, so cute.
my old Bill right where the two-win auto sales dealership used to be. My grandpa had an automotive shop right there. All the way down. He used to like there'll be some girls here later that try to old time dress up in the 50s clothes.
Is this yours by chance?
Hey, 1974
Why, yes, it does.
That's mine by chance.
I came to look for you.
Well, thank you.
You're welcome.
I'll get it in the window.
When I was doing the U, I was like, oh, this is it. Like a good little hole. So any of these lower parts are good.
He just wants to play. He thinks you're playing because you're moving your legs fast. Yep, it's just a caution. Be careful. Put the car out. Be careful.
I'm looking.
Well, I've been messing everything inside. 6 days on the road and I'm gonna make it home tonight. I got the 10 Ford gears and the Georgia overdrive. I'm thinking little white
You know, in case I don't know what it is.
nothing about the TV guy. I'm going down, don't get me all right. 6 days on the road and I'm gonna make it home tonight. Yeah, the ICC is ticking on down. Thank you for
99 XKR. Very nice.
Good. 6 days on the road and I'm gonna make it home.